In this video, I'll show you how to create a Pro Mist filter style look directly inside DaVinci Resolve using only built-in tools. Start by going to the color page and selecting the clip you want to work on. Make sure you are on a new serial node so the effect stays easy to control. Open the blur palette, then increase the radius slider until it's fully maxed out. This will heavily blur the highlights, which is the base of the Pro Mist look. Next, right-click on the node itself and change the composite mode to screen. This blends the blurred highlights back over the original image and creates that soft glow effect around bright areas. Now open the Curves panel. Here, use the custom curve to fine-tune the contrast. Gently lift the highlights while keeping the shadows under control. The goal is to soften the image without washing it out. If the effect feels too strong, go to the key palette for this node and lower the output gain. This lets you control the intensity of the Pro Mist look without changing any of your settings. That's it! You now have a clean, adjustable Pro Mist style effect using native DaVinci Resolve tools, with full control over softness and strength.